So before solving this question, let's understand what the question is telling us. So in the first line, it is telling that you need to give the input of the marks of a student and then check the marks. If the marks is greater than 90, then print excellent. If the marks is above 80 and less than or equal to 90, then print good. If the marks is above 70 and less than or equal to 80, print fair. If the marks is greater than or equal to 60 and less than or equal to 70, print meets expectation. And the last line is wants from us that we need to print below par if the students got below 60% number. So let's see how we will solve it. So go to the whiteboard, cut the question from here, go to the board, it will erase everything, go back again. Cut it and go to it. So we need to print out all these things. So let's understand the question. So first line, we have to take user input that what a student got. Like if a student got 90 or above, then we need to print excellent. And the next line, if the student got greater than 80 and less than 90, then we need to print good. And then if the student got greater than 70 and less than 80, we need to print fair. And if the student got greater than 60, less than 70, then meets expectation. And the last line, if he got less than 60, then print below par. So after seeing this question, you can understand this is basically a condition. These all lines are a condition. For solving any type of condition in programming, there is concept that is if. So in this question, we are going to use the if. So let's go to the screen and solve it. So if the student got, first we have to take the input, and already we have taken the input that int marks is equal to stn.nextInt. So let's take it now. If marks is greater than 90, so if greater than 90, then print system.out.println excellent. Excellent. Else if the student number is marks is greater than 90, greater than 80, and less than equal to, and less than equal to, greater than 80 and less than equal to, that means we have to use the and operator. So marks less than equal to 90, system.out.println good. So before move forward to the next line, tell you one thing, that what does the and operator do? And means every condition would be true. That means first condition which is mark is greater than 80 and the last condition mark is less than equal to 90. Every line will be true. If any one of these false, that means it will return the value false. So and operator means the first condition and the last condition. Every condition need to be true. So let's move forward the next line. So next line is saying that else if marks is above 70 and marks is less than equal to 80, then system.out.println fair. Go to the next line. Else if marks is above 60 and marks is less than equal to 70, then print the value needs expectation. Dot out retelling expectation okay, right. And in the field spot print it system.out.println E or P is below bar. Okay, I think all are good. Let's run it now. Yes, here you can see it's giving me the right output. Now add any type of custom input and check it out. So I am giving the value like 60. So let's see, is it right or wrong? There you can see it is accepted and it is showing the output below bar. So that means the code is right. Now submit it. One test case failed. So let's check the which test case I mistake. Okay. Expected output below bar. And test case input was only. My output is also below bar. Why it is? Below bar. Let's keep the input 14 and check it. Yes, it is accepted. System.out.println below bar. System.out.println clear. Println good. System.out.println excellent. It's right. Above 90, excellent. It's better than 80 and less than equal to 90. It is good. Better than 20, less than equal to 80. Here. Above 60, less than equal to 20. Use expect EXPECTATION, right? Else less than equal to else if marks less than. Why it is giving me 0? Why it is giving me? Let's put another else if marks is less than equal to 60. Now check it. Let's see, marks is less than equal to 60, then you have to print out below bar. In my case, yes, no. All good. Input, so the input is 40. Expected output below par. Okay, expected output is below par and I have written it here below par. And it is below bar. Now it's right. No, I have written it here below bar. So that was the mistake that I wrote it here wrong.